Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang 6th generation between year 2015 and year 2023. If you have one of those and you're trying to find where the fuse for the VDC module, Vehicle Dynamics, I think it's called Vehicle Dynamics model, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate on 2018 5.0 GT, but even if you have a different engine, it should work as well. Check how cool that is. You can lift your hood without supporting it. If you want to see how to install hood lift system, we have a complete video that will teach you how to do that step by step. It's very simple and very convenient, by the way. This is the fuse box that we have right here. You can see on the left side of your engine. It will work for multiple engines. You need to press here, pull up, and on the back side, okay, of the fuse box here, we have the fuse numbers and the relays, okay, corresponding to what we have specifically here. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that we need to check will be in that fuse block right there. Check this thing out. That fuse block is right here. Which fuse we need to check now will be fuse number 66, guys. Talking about that fuse right there. Fuse number 66. I'm talking about a 5M fuse right there. That's the one that you need to check for the VDC Vehicle Dynamics module, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.